Because there's a lack of awareness about it generally, when you bring it up, people aren't sure how to react. And although these are little statements, they can really hit home.
Gotta say, on the whole, I don't think I've suffered anywhere near as much stigma and discrimination as a lot of people. Friends and family find it hard to cope with, and quite often it's the sort of isolating behaviours of myself during depression which forces people away or pushes people away.
This is 1 in 4 of us, and if you don't learn to deal with it, then you are actually discriminating against or excluding a quarter of the population. The people around you, professionals and or family and friends, how supportive or not they are, can exacerbate or minimise the impact of mental illness.
Depression is like a teardrop, so you're either at the top and then you sink back down, but then you'll always climb back up, and it is a cycle, but sometimes you'll just break it and it won't happen like that.
It's horrendous, with a capital H.
I look in the mirror and hate myself. My reflection was everything I tried so hard not to be.
Mae'n really effeithio i'ch bywyd pob dydd. Falle yn dydd ti'n teimlo'n ti'n gallu gwneud pethau, a wedyn y diwrnod nesaf ti jyst ddim yn gallu gwneud rhywbeth.
The problem is, because I have a destructive nature and I have smashed many a thing, including myself, there is actually a desire to go there, because it is a devil one knows.
I couldn't tell my parents. They'd be ashamed of me. I couldn't tell my friends. They'd think I'm crazy.
When people tell me to cheer up, I wish it was that easy.
Stop making excuses. People have it way worse than you. Get over it.
People were always telling me it's all in my head.
I've never been so humiliated, patronised, talked down to, and generally treated as if I have one brain cell.
It's just like having pneumonia, it's just like having cancer. It's an illness that affects our body. It just happens to affect our brain rather than our heart or our liver.
Nobody asks to feel that way. Nobody wants to feel like they can't live another day. People are too scared to say. They don't want to be branded crazy. They don't want to be made to feel that way. I'm constantly telling people I'm fine, despite how I'm feeling on the inside.
My advice is to not give up. It gets easier, I promise, I've been there. Just don't give up.
Just speak more openly about it. Don't be ashamed of it, because you might say something that somebody else might really benefit from.
Asking for help and admitting that I needed it was a big step. I didn't realise that talking about it could help me and save others.